Hi, my name is Al, and I do a lot of things a little differently. Every problem is a solution waiting to happen, and as a habitual tinkerer, I've had fun coming up with some solutions and actually using them. I'll share with you ideas that I came up with myself. I'm not saying nobody else ever had the same idea, but I won't try to take credit for something I didn't think of on my own. That being said, some of my ideas may be a bit unconventional, leading my wife to call me the Wacky Hacker, so I'll just go with that. Today's hack, laptop computers, ubiquitous, workplace, home, everywhere, very handy. Always plugging stuff into them. Oh, where's that damn, oh, there's the hole for that one. Okay. Oh, wait, yeah, got a USB thing I gotta plug in, and where's, oh, over here. Crap, I got another, I got USB over here. Alright, so now I'm about to tilt my computer up and possibly wreck these connectors. Because I gotta find where this one goes, right? Well, I actually don't have that problem. I don't have to crane my neck around and toss the thing around the desk trying to figure out where things go. Because I had this idea I decided to try. I stood my laptop on edge on a copy machine on both sides one at a time and just made a photocopy of this pattern of connectors. On a copy machine, it's the right size. I taped it to the top edge, just cut out that strip, tape it right over the connectors, aligned with the real connectors. So from up top, as a user, I don't have to look where they go. I can just plug things in because I can see on the top where the hole is on the side. It just makes my life that little bit easier, and it may seem unconventional. I tend to be fairly unconventional. People that have seen it think it's a cool idea. I think it's a cool idea. I like it. So hopefully you will too. I find it's very convenient. Feel free to give it a try. Thank you.